Here's the flyers just about to leave the station. After a couple more passengers, they'll be leaving. Here we go. Into the tunnel we go. Into the tunnel we go. This is my tunnel. It was already made this by myself. We also have a couple of new models I made. For you to remember from my other videos. We finished. We finished this, and we finished the general store, and then there's a fire station. Here's the fire station. Some of it. That's very detailed. It's the most detailed we've done. And here's Merchant's Row. Merchant's Row 3. And it's kind of the best Merchant's Row, I think. But that's my opinion. It's nap time for the engine. And now and he's on his way to bed. Let's watch as his carefully balanced. Timing is right. But first he's got to get the passengers back to the station. Can he do it? Nobody knows. And he's right off the passengers. Everybody's got. Now it's heading home. Uh-oh, a deep route has occurred. Now what do we do? Train will be late for tomorrow. Wait a minute. Handy the Hand has come in to help. Once you see this fixed, it'll be as good as new. Handy the Hand is always here for us. We need him. He'll come. Now, let's watch as the engine. Gets back home. What he has he has run out of fuel. So there's going to need the breakdown train is going home.
As Giuliani pointed out, that happened during a boom economic period. Now let's look at the cities, shall we, that are being controlled by progressive Democrats for decades.
There's a little bit of fuel. Pretty bad. But a breakdown train. Oh, you can barely move. Oh, yeah, you stopped. So he has to come off the track. Go to the field stuff. Now the trains on the tracks off home. It's a dangerous hazard. But I break down trains. I break down trains here. It's the Union Pacific Mutual. Oh, another derailment? People, we need to get this track fixed, sir. No, these won't get fixed. This is defaulty will.
By getting more and more people onto welfare and on the dole until it just cannot hold anymore. That will then cause riots in the streets. People will rise up because they'll be hungry, they'll be poor, they won't have it. They have expected this system to work, so they will then...
Now we can go to bed. Now we can go to bed.
People who have the solution will encourage the riot. And the people, you, will cry out for somebody to do something. And those people who now have power will implement the solution. Gosh, how do people not see this? Make no mistakes, Detroit was by design. This is E2, education. Now, you know what they're doing. We can correct their twisting of history by educating ourselves with the truth. Because you know what? You probably didn't know most of this. I didn't know most of this. And I can guarantee our sons and daughters, no matter what age, they don't know any of this. But the left is calling for action. They're saying, now empower yourself and rise up. But it is the dark side that has to trick people into it. Feel your anger. Feel your rage. That's the dark side. Before the end of the hour, I will show you what Yoda said about feeling your anger and rage.
No, Model Train.